Hello everyone, I am Monika from IELTS 9. So in this series, we are doing types of IELTS reading test questions. How many types of questions are there? You can see this from 1 to 14. Okay, now here we have already covered in previous videos matching headings, locating information means which section contains the following information, and matching sentence ending, matching features with exercise also. Okay, now in this video I'm going to cover true, false, not given, and most of the students are evenly like I can say they are mostly confused between false and not given. So this also I am going to clear it, your doubt. Okay, so these kinds of questions are there. You can see true means if the statement agrees with the information. So what statement? These are the statement, question statement. Okay, agrees with the information. Where is this information? You will get this information in this reading passage. Okay, so false in what condition? If the statement contradicts the information, means if the statement is contradicting. What is the meaning of this contradiction? Contradiction means suppose this is the question. Okay, if artificial intelligence is a branch of this. Okay, so if the statement, if the information in the passage paragraph says artificial intelligence is a branch of something else, okay, then in this situation it is contradiction. And if it is saying artificial intelligence is not a branch of this, so same meaning, like if they are saying branch of something else, it means contradiction. And if same sentence structure is there, they are saying AI is a branch of this, is this, it means this is true. And if saying branch of something else, contradiction. And if they are not discussing whether this AI is a branch of something, this or something else, they are not discussing what kind of branch is this, then not given is there. So simple language, and simple language I have explained it to you how to just get false and not given and true also. Okay, so what are the tips, what is the strategy to do it? Okay, one more thing important here, where you will get the location of this question. After that you will get this location, after that you will get this location, and then these questions are 99% in chronological orders, means sequence wise you will get the answers and locations. Okay, so this is also a tip, just mind it. And if suppose this question or this question is not given, of course 70 to 80% 70 to 80% words means the meaning of this sentence you will get it, but main thing will be missing. And you just have read one paragraph and two paragraphs. No need to read two paragraphs. In one paragraph, in 4-5 sentences, after this location you are not getting this person name, means this must be not given. Okay, now let's start with tips. Now here tips for answering true, false, not given. Understand the questions before going into the passage, means first we have to read the question statement and understand its meaning. And definitely we will just underline the keywords. And keywords means, it doesn't mean that wherever you will get the keyword in the paragraph, suppose this is the reading, in the paragraph if you are getting keyword, then you will think that it is true. No, try to match the meaning also. Okay, not given means information related to the given statement is not given in the passage. That I have already explained it to you. Means information related to the given statement is not given in the passage or paragraph. And you can write true, false, not given also on the answer sheet, but make sure it is legible. Means it should not be like that. Something means your words should be readable. It should be neat and clean. Okay, yes, so let's do this question statement. Artificial intelligence is a branch of astrophysics. Okay, so keyword artificial intelligence, branch, and astrophysics. If it is artificial intelligence is a branch of astrophysics, then it is true. If it is a branch of something else, then it is false. And if they are not talking about that, whether what kind of branch is this, then not given will be there. So let's start this number one question, branch, astrophysics and artificial intelligence. So now here this is the passage. So we are looking for artificial intelligence, branch and astrophysics. Okay, I will not be trying to read anything more. Artificial intelligence is one of the branches of computer science. Now I have got the location. See this, you can just, is one of the branches of computer science. And here the question statement, what they were saying, branch of astrophysics. It means this answer is false. So this answer is false. Okay, now coming to next, because they were saying computer science, here it is given astrophysics. Okay, John McCarthy is the father of artificial intelligence. If John McCarthy is the father of artificial intelligence, then it is true, and if somebody else is the father of artificial intelligence, then false, means contradiction information. And if they are not talking about who is the father of artificial intelligence, then not given. So this word will take us to the location and father also. Okay, see this next line. So which pursues mimic the intelligence of humans, father of artificial intelligence. See this, father of artificial intelligence, John McCarthy stated that artificial intelligence, science and engineering of making this and this. So we have got the exact location, father of artificial intelligence, John McCarthy. So it means answer is true. Exactly clear thing it was given, so answer is true. Now next, third one, creating expert system. Now expert system is our keyword, is one of the goals of artificial intelligence, okay. Creating expert system is one of the goals. Instead of goals we can get the word here aims also. Okay, so goals of artificial, main aim also they can write. Now let's find this. If creating an expert system is the main goal of artificial intelligence, then also false, and it is one of the goals, then it is true. And if they are not talking about the goals of artificial intelligence, then not given will be there. So let's find creating expert systems. So now first paragraph we have done this already. Now let's look at the second paragraph. See this, the prominent goals. The prominent means the prominent goals of artificial intelligence are to create expert systems and to apply human intelligence in machines. So exact thing we have got, prominent goals, main goals of artificial intelligence are to create expert systems. So exact everything we have got, but here prominent goal is given. So let's check the statement here again. So creating expert system is one of the goals of artificial intelligence. Yes, it is right. So it is right, it is true means, yeah. Prominent means the main important, and here it is given is one of the goals, means goals were there na, aim is already there na, goal is there, so we can just go with true. So okay, next fourth question, artificial intelligence reduced the value of human feelings and emotions. These are keywords. Okay, artificial intelligence reduced the value of human feelings. If AI reduced the value of human feelings and emotions, then true. If they are not talking whether AI had reduced value of human feelings and emotions, then not given. And if they are talking artificial intelligence increased the value of human feelings, then it is contradiction, means false will be there. Now human feelings and emotions, okay, and value also. So here in this paragraph we have found this previous question and discipline. Human intelligence is there, so to apply human intelligence in machine, but we are looking for human feelings and emotions. Okay, is just an artifice of human intelligence. Intelligence has its characteristic. Here in this paragraph nothing has given about feelings and all. Composition, your pencil should move like that, how I am doing it. So nothing, no, they have not given anything about whether it has reduced the value of human feelings and emotions, so we will be just writing not given. Okay, So don't do like I am doing it. False means full spelling, true means full spelling, true means full spelling, not given means full spelling you should write it. Or if you have started writing TF not NG, then it's okay, but follow the one sequence. Like if you are writing full spelling, then write full. If you are writing in short, then please write short. Next one is intelligence is the composition of 6 elements. Okay, if intelligence is the composition means mix of 6 elements, then true. And if the composition of 5 elements and less elements, then it is false. And if they are not talking whether intelligence has components, composition of this element and this, then it is not given. Okay, elements, 6 elements. Okay, so here yes, here we couldn't find before question because not given was there. We have to find elements. Artificial intelligence is, I am looking for element word is here. See this? Okay, let's read it. Events intelligence is the composition of the following elements. Okay, reasoning, learning, problem solving, perception and linguistic. Artificial intelligence incorporates these elements into itself, function as a human intelligence. Okay, they have not given any 6, but yes, I can just see 5 elements are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means answer is false. Okay, now next one. Automation is the cause of lower productivity rate. Okay, automation is the keyword. If it is the reason or cause of lower productivity rate, then it is true. And if it is the reason, it is the cause of higher productivity rate, then false. And if they are not talking about any lower productivity rate and all, then it is not given. Okay, so we will just find the word automation. This paragraph we have done. Now here last paragraph, beneficial, yeah, automation word is here. The result of artificial intelligence is allowing us to reap higher productivity rate. Okay, yes, clearly it is given. Allowing us to reap. Reap means like indirectly they are causing about this. Cause of lower, no, say sorry. Here lower productivity is given, but here higher productivity is given. So answer is contradiction. So we can just write here false. Okay, so this is true, false, not given. And in next video we will be doing this yes, no, not given.